Everyone wants confidence. We chase it through achievements, compliments, and quick wins. We tell ourselves, once I succeed, I'll finally feel confident. But what if that's backward? What if confidence doesn't come after success? What if it's built through consistency, long before the results show up? That's the momentum code, the invisible process where small, repeated actions quietly build belief in yourself, until one day, you stop doubting whether you can, and start trusting that you will. We often think confidence is something you're born with. Some people just have it, right? But neuroscience paints a different picture. Confidence isn't a trait, it's a byproduct. It's the emotional residue left behind after consistent action. Every time you do something hard and survive it, your brain updates its software. It says, hey, maybe we can handle more than we thought. That's how momentum begins. Not in big wins, but in small, quiet moments where you keep your own promises. When you show up again, and again, and again. You're not chasing motivation anymore. You're building trust with yourself. Momentum is psychological gravity. Once it starts, it's hard to stop. And the beautiful thing? It doesn't care how small your first step is. Maybe you read 1 page a day, go for a 10-minute walk, record a 30-second video. Tiny things that don't even feel worth mentioning. But here's what's happening beneath the surface. Your brain is stacking evidence that you follow through. It's learning to associate effort with identity. You're no longer someone who tries, you're someone who does. And that subtle shift is where confidence lives. The reason consistency builds momentum is because it replaces doubt with data. Your mind stops wondering if you can, and starts remembering that you already have. Think about this. Every time you take action, no matter how small, you get feedback. That feedback builds progress. Progress builds emotion. Emotion fuels motivation. And motivation powers more action. That's the momentum code. It's a self-reinforcing loop. The hardest part is the start, because before momentum, there's friction. But once you overcome that initial resistance, something magical happens. You start trusting your effort more than your excuses. You start to feel in control. And control feels like confidence. Confidence isn't loud or flashy. It doesn't shout. It doesn't need to. It's quiet, grounded, unshakable. It's the athlete who trains before sunrise, the creator who posts when nobody's watching, the student who studies without needing validation. They don't act confident to look confident. They are confident because they've earned it through consistency. Real confidence isn't built in moments of applause. It's built in moments of discipline. When you choose effort over emotion, when you show up even when it's hard, that's when the voice in your head shifts from, I hope I can, to I know I can. So if you're waiting to feel confident before taking action, stop waiting. Because action is what creates confidence. You don't need to believe in yourself first. You just need to prove to yourself, one small action at a time, that you're capable. Momentum doesn't start big. It starts barely noticeable. But once it's in motion, it's unstoppable. So keep moving. Keep showing up. Keep stacking small wins. Because every tiny act of consistency is another brick in the foundation of your confidence. And when the world finally asks how you became so sure of yourself, you'll smile and say, I didn't find confidence. I built it.